We are here at Disney World Resort Riverside, and this is the fifth person room that has the additional sleeper. And this is the initial layout. So you come in from the door and you have your 2 chairs and your table and your mirror. And then you have your 2 queen size beds. And here's your welcome info. So it's like a little letter. Welcome to Port Orleans-Riverside. And then some information. And then right under the television, neatly stored away, is your sleeper, which is super cute. If you, let me back up a little bit. If you have a child, an extra 5th child, so that's super cute. And there's storage underneath. So there's 3 drawers underneath. Then you have your big television, 50-inch TV. Here's your other bed with some Disney artwork. And then here is your refrigerator. You're given some glasses and a coffee pot for the morning and creamers and tea. And here is, I'll open up the fridge. It's just a little college fridge. I will tell you though, there is no freezer. So for ice packs, it's not that great. I have a little curtain here, which is really cute of them. The frogs, Tiana. So that's cute for some privacy. You open it up, and here's your double sink. The little washboard there has ornamentation. You have your ironing board, iron, extra pillow, blanket. Here is your safe. Good size, shallow safe, but good size safe. And then makeup mirror. And then you have your sea salt facial soap. Big mirror, just ignore me in there. And then here's your shower curtain with the Disney theme. Bathroom towels. And then you have the Disney products, the shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. So this is your, oh, here's the tile floor. I forgot to detail that. That's kind of cool for your vanity. So here is your Disney room at Port Orleans with the extra 5th person sleeper.